And if I didn't mention, we are at Mirada, which is over in San Antonio, Florida. And it's beautiful out here in San Antonio, Florida. I really do like it. And I'm not just saying that, I really do like it. It has a very countryside, quaint feel about it. Okay, so let's go in and have a look at this house.
Front door.
Okay, so when you first walk in, you can see that there's a lot of space. I'm standing by the front door. There's a lot of width, and it goes really far back. So let's see, what do we have here? We got a full bath. And we have a bedroom. And here we have another bedroom as well. And a closet. And here's your laundry room. So you got a nice sized laundry room. And there's actually a sink in here as well. Wow, this room looks amazing. Look at that. So, oh wow, it goes off to the right. I don't think I've ever seen this floor plan. So I'm going to come back to that. Oh, wow. So maybe I should use that face for like the cover photo on the YouTube video, because everybody's always like making those crazy dumb faces. But yeah, look at that. Wow, that's something. That's amazing. That's a lot of cabinets. And I didn't think at a home this size. Wow, look at that. The covered patio too, the lanai. What do we got in here? Wow, it's a huge master bedroom. That's really huge. Look at that. Let's see what we see over here to the right. Very large closet and toilet in the closet. But this toilet in the closet, this is like the king's toilet in the closet, because this has extra room, a lot of extra room in here. You could probably put a little rack or something in here too. That's pretty good, wow. And you walk into the shower. Look at that. Another view of this great master bedroom. And the closet, let's see. Wow, this closet is huge. That's amazing. I'm gonna come back to the closet because I really want to see the rest of this house. But let's look at this kitchen. Yeah, this lanai is enormous. What a great covered patio. Really is. And your pantry. Who needs a pantry when you have all this? I mean, really. So another bedroom. And let's see, what do I got here? A closet? Yep. I say it like I don't know what it is. What do we have here? A closet? Is it a closet? Yeah, it's a closet. This is kind of nice, how the bathroom's kind of set in a bit. I like that. Oh, it's a large closet. Another view of that amazing kitchen. Okay, so I decided to start this portion of the video off in the shower. When I say who is this for, it's a shower on the southeast deck. I'm not really fully extended, but I figure this got to be like, I don't know, 8 feet or so. This is a big shower. Let me angle this down a little bit more. And we had this closet over here. Let's see. This closet was so gigantic that I'm going to put the camera over by the wall, extending my arms, and you could see just how big this closet is. Like seriously, if you have a small child that needs to be close, maybe like a newborn or a child with some kind of special needs, you could put a crib over here very easily, or a bed. So that's fantastic, and still have closet space. Now, that's the bedroom. You can see there's a lot of furniture in here. There's 3 pieces, and as I always say, builders don't usually put furniture, or should I say, multiple pieces of furniture in a room if it's a small room. And again, the kitchen. It's amazing. Look at that. Now, I don't know if the house is going to come with all these cabinets, because it might not, because again, this is a model house, and typically builders, put a lot of money into their models, especially a builder like MI Homes.